Hello guys, welcome back to on my YouTube channel. Today I will show you if you are going to install any software and it's giving this app has been blocked for your protection error, how you can solve it. So let's start. I will show you first. I am going to install WinCC Flexible 2008 software. So once I'm going to start the setup, it's giving error, so I will show you. Run as an administrator. You can see this is giving error. This app has been blocked for your protection, and administrator has blocked you from running this app. For more information, contact the administrator. So I will show you how we can solve it. So let's start. Open registry files. Run as an administrator. Click on yes. Open HKey local machine. Then expand software. Then expand Microsoft and search window. Then expand window, expand current version, then search policies, expand policies, click on system. So here enable enable LUA, double click on that. Value data is 1, so here we'll put 0 and press OK. See, it's asking for must restart your computer to turn off your user account control. So close. Let's restart the computer. Sorry, I mistakenly shut down. No issue, I will restart again. Guys, I am using virtual machine, so whatever I am making videos for your learning, I am making on my virtual machine. So this issue I am facing on my virtual machine. So hopefully our problem is solved. I will show you. Let's try to start setup again. Run as an administrator. Now error not coming, so it's time taking to start the WinCC Flexible 2008 setup. Let's try again. Now error not coming, but I think it's taking time to start the setup. Now I got to start. So now our problem is solved. So thank you guys for watching my videos. So I will make next video for installation of this Symantec WinCC Flexible 2008. So okay, thank you guys, bye bye.